also, when driving, do we need to try to avoid passing Avodah Zarah temples, or is it only going mamash on the property?
Jogging meaning running?
Driving on a car.
Oh, driving. Okay, driving. Sorry. Driving. Driving it's a little different because no, it's a lot different because you're in your own domain. So yeah, so that's. I mean, of course, don't park on the parking lot. As I remember, so there's one place. It's like maybe an hour drive for me. We used to go to that hotel, like stay for a special occasion, stuff like that. And there is one shul. It's very old shul, like a separate building. They're huge. I think it's reform. I think, of course, they're the best buildings. It's historic building from 1800s, I think. Uh, and I would go to the shtibel, like to the small Orthodox shul, but of course I would pass this huge. Of course, it's on Main Street, on very fancy schmancy, and I'm talking about Shabbos. So they and from like across the street, so it's a very wide street, and across the street there's a church. Like in that place, there are many churches, but this like huge church and a huge parking lot, and there is like huge sign for the members of this temple, Temple Shalom, whatever is it. That's what they call themselves. I'm not sure. The Temple Shalom would like a similar name. Please park here. So basically, these Jews come on Shabbos and park on that temple, on this church parking, because church does not use this parking. Yes, but Jews, unfortunately, they come with the car on Shabbos. They have agreement with the church. I mean, I know it sounds crazy, but I was like, it was too much. So I asked the people in the shul, so they said that's what it is. Okay. Unfortunately, right? So that would be very inappropriate. What I'm trying to say, to park on the church parking and go right. But driving there is no problem. Walking, for example, it's facing the street, so we're trying to walk 4 amos away from even from the walls. From the walls, if they pray there. If there is sanctuary, sometimes they have like social hall or like wedding hall. That's a little different. But if you're not sure, so like driving is simple. It's your own domain. So if you can cross the street, so you can cross the street and don't walk on the same street of this tuma, right? But if not, so that's on your whatever. You cannot. So you just walk 4 amos, which is what is it in feet? It's 7 to 8 feet, and in meters is less than 2 meters. Okay, from the church. Okay. What else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.